Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor here. So I want to make a quick video about this upcoming event that we have on how to create cash flow using RVs, campers, fifth wheels, the traditional pull-behind campers. So look, there's so many strategies when we think about mobile home investing, exit strategies, whether you're creating rentals, flips, wholesales, you're transporting the homes. And there is a difference between a camper and a mobile home. And those are kind of the things that we're going to touch upon a lot on this upcoming Saturday, March the, you figured I know this by mind, but March the 15th. This is our next event. It's going to be located in Griffin, Georgia, where we have currently a few campers and fifth wheels that we have set up, and we are going to treat them as a weekly more type rentals. It's not going to be a nightly stay. It's not a hotel. It's not a motel. It is going to be an extended stay more like, and it's going to be minimum of a week at a time. So look, we'll talk about numbers. We'll talk about ROIs, return on your investments, the expensive side, and everything it takes to get into this type of investing. This is just one more venture that we're going into, something that is looking very promising at this time. The numbers look phenomenal. So look, we'll cover all those topics this Sunday, March 15th. If you have not already signed up, visit garciamhu.com. I'll put a link on this video as well. We do have the option to join us in person, which there's only about a couple seats remaining at this time, but there is quite a few seats available virtually. We will be hosting this event virtually as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get up and give you a quick little tour of the camper that I'm in. I'm inside the camper. The fifth was next door. We might make another video on that as well. But let me go ahead and make you sitting here working this morning, having my coffee, working in the camper. So here is, and space wise, when I think about this, it's almost tiny house. There's so much specifics, tiny houses, certain square footage. People are really venturing into that small spaces. That's kind of what's hip, what's hot right now. So campers kind of fit in there just right with that as well. But so let me go ahead. I'm going to turn the camera. I'm going to just do it this way. So here's our seating area. This is what you would consider the living room area. I was just in the kitchen, which I'm going to go back over there and show you. Slow down a little bit. There's our kitchen, our stove, our microwave. There is no dishwasher in this camper. There is in the other one, but there's a sink. You can hand wash. That's what you can do. So here is the kitchen area, the table. And this does convert into a bed as well. So that's when it comes to the whole spacious thing, is there's so much more room than a lot of people realize. You can make that into a bed. We have the fridge back here. Not a full-size fridge, but it's bigger than the normal mini fridges. I'm going to turn the lights on, and here is the shower section. So you got the shower, you got the sink, and you have the toilet. Now we did change the toilet on the fifth wheel into a more normal size. I'm not a fan of these small little toilets here. I prefer more of a normal size toilet, something you can use. And there is doors, by the way. So there's space, obviously, if you're in here, you want to shut that. You don't want somebody eating in the kitchen, you're in the bathroom, you kind of get the hint of where I'm going with that. So this is the back room. So 4 beds. These are bunk beds. So, and 2 here and 2 on the other side. So how many people can it actually sleep? It's 4 kids. 6 kids. You got this other ones here. And again, we turn that area more into a living room, like a seating side. So it's more comfortable, relaxed. We're going to put a TV on this side over here. It's full size, probably 40-inch screen. You're not going to put a 70-inch screen by any means. It's half the size of this camper. So you want to think smartly in that sense. But look, overall, it's spacious enough, it's comfortable, and the feedback that's already coming in, because we got a line of people that are ready to rent this thing. Again, when I say hot, I mean people look for these type of things. It's just something neat in a sense. So, the numbers that we're projecting, it's well over twice as what we're getting in a traditional mobile home. So that, again, you're thinking about, how can I maximize? How can I get the best of ROIs, returns on your investments? You got to get creative. You got to get out there. And this right here is definitely next to best idea as Airbnb, which we also do in mobile homes. But look, more on that Saturday, March 15th. Join us. Like I said, I'm going to put a link on here where you can join us in person or virtually. You only got about 5 days left, so definitely send us an email also if you have any questions. j@garciamhu.com. Okay? Hope to see you Saturday. Thank you for watching.